everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net. And if you have clicked on this video, I know you must be watching IPL these days, and why not? IPL is something a cricket lover can never miss. We all have a favorite team and favorite players who never miss to surprise us with their batting and bowling. And do you know how much price a team pays to get your favorite player into the team? That is what I'm going to talk about in today's video, the top 10 expensive player of IPL 2020. Make sure you watch the video till the end to find out if your favorite player is on the list or not. So let's find out. On number 10 we have AB de Villiers. Abraham Benjamin de Villiers is a South African cricketer who is known for his amazing on-field performances in many matches. He is also known as Mr. 360 for giving shots in every direction. For IPL, he plays for the RCB team and takes a paycheck of 11 crores for that. Lees knows that he was a part of Delhi Daredevils team for 3 seasons of IPL and received 1.2 crore rupees for that. After that, he was added to the RCB team for a price of 5 crores and proved to be a useful investment for the team. He is one of the aggressive players of the team and has made 3 centuries in IPL. Clearly, that is the reason he receives a hefty paycheck from the franchise to be a part of RCB team. On number 9, we have Suresh Raina, who is a well-known Indian cricketer and has taken retirement recently from the international cricket. He is known for his amazing fielding and powerful batting. He is a part of Chennai Super Kings team for quite long now and has played really well for the team. He is the one who has taken highest number of catches in IPL and has made highest runs after Virat Kohli. Suresh Raina has become the first player of IPL to score 5,000 runs. But this time you will not see him playing in IPL 2020 due to personal reasons. But if he was playing IPL, he would have been getting a paycheck of 11 crores to be a part of Chennai Super Kings team. He started his IPL journey from the very first season with a price of 2.6 crores. Until today, he has managed to increase his price to 11 crores, making him the 9th expensive player of IPL 2020. On number 8, we have Ben Stokes, an all-rounder Australian player and also the vice-captain of England Test team. In 2019, England won the World Cup for the very first time and Ben Stokes played a major role in that. He is currently one of the top cricket players in the world and is playing for Rajasthan Royals team in IPL. He is getting a paycheck of 12.5 crores to be a part of the team, making him the 8th most expensive player of IPL 2020. He has proved to be a balancing factor for the Rajasthan Royals team, as if we talk about batting, bowling or fielding, he has proved to be best in everything. He started off his IPL journey in 2017 by being a part of Rising Pune Super Giants team for a price of 14 crores, but his contract was renewed by Rajasthan Royals team and his price was reduced to 12.5 crores. On number 7, there is Sunil Narayan, who bowled everyone with his amazing bowling skills, and within very less time he proved to be a greatest investment for his team. There is no batsman who didn't get frightened of his bowling skills. He is currently the part of KKR team and every year the franchise pays a price of 12.5 crores to make him the part of the team. Sunil not only contributes to his team through his amazing bowling skills but also has played as an opening batsman, proving his worth again for the team. He was purchased by the Kolkata Knight Riders team for 3 crores in the first season of IPLs, and every season his contract got renewed, taking him to the hefty price of 12.5 crores. On number 6, we have Steve Smith, who is an Australian international cricket player and was also the captain of the Australian national team. One of the top players of the world, Steve Smith is often compared to Virat Kohli, one of the top Indian cricketers. Their fans want them both to play for the same team, and you will be surprised to know that Steve Smith was once a part of Royal Challenger Bangalore's team in 2010 when he was called in the middle of the season as a replacement of Jesse Ryder. That time Virat Kohli and Steve Smith played for the same team, but Steve Smith was not the part of playing 11 team. At that time his price was only 13 lakhs when he was purchased by the Kochi Tuskers Kerala team, but the next year he got added into the Pune Warriors team for a price of 1 crores, and at last he got the chance to be a part of Rajasthan Royals team for a price of 4 crores. After his contract was renewed for a few times, he managed to increase his price to 12.5 crores. Steve Smith is not only a great batsman but he is also an amazing captain, and that's why he was made the captain of the Rajasthan Royals team in 2019. And surprisingly, after that the performance of the team has improved a lot. On number 5 we have David Warner, who is an Australian cricketer and a stunning left-handed opening batsman. He is one of the top players of IPL, and from the time he joined IPL has proved to be a top scorer for his team. He started off his IPL journey in 2009 by being a part of Delhi Daredevils team, where he was purchased for a price of 14 lakhs. After getting raised every year, David Warner's price was increased to 4 crores approx in 2013. After giving amazing performances for Delhi Daredevils team, David Warner was very much in demand in 2014 IPL auction, where he was purchased by the Sunrisers Hyderabad team for a hefty price of 5 crores 50 lakhs. With an average of 43 runs and a total score of 4,933 runs, David Warner has become the 4th highest run scorer of IPL. After giving amazing performances for Sunrisers Hyderabad team, David Warner has managed to increase his price to 12.5 crores, making him the 5th most expensive player of IPL 2020. On number 4 we have Rohit Sharma, who has proved to be the best captain of IPL and has helped his team won 4 titles. Mumbai Indians have won the IPL championship in the year 2013, 2015, 2017 and 2019 under his captaincy. That makes his team one of the successful IPL teams in the history. His importance in Mumbai Indians team cannot be ignored at any cost, and for every season of IPL he takes a heavy paycheck of 15 crores, and that makes him the 4th most expensive player of IPL. He played his first season of IPL in 2008 for the team Deccan Chargers, and he was getting a price of 3 crores. After that, in the 2011 IPL auctions, he was purchased by the Mumbai Indians team for a heavy price of 9 crores 20 lakhs. After that, he was made the captain of the team and his price was also increased to 12 crores and 25 lakhs. Under Rohit Sharma's captainship, his team won a lot of IPL championships, and that eventually increased his price to 15 crores. Rohit Sharma has also become the top 3rd run scorer of IPL with 5,109 runs. On number 3 we have Mahendra Singh Dhoni, who is another great captain like Rohit Sharma and is also getting the equal paycheck of 15 crores. Along with proving as one of the top players of IPL, MS Dhoni has also helped new players reach heights. Dhoni was purchased by the Chennai Super Kings team for a price of 6 crores. That makes him the top expensive player of first season of IPL. He has continued to be one of the most expensive players of IPL. Even when there was a ban on Chennai Super Kings team, MS Dhoni was very much in demand and he played for the rising Pune Super Giant team for 2 years for a price of 12.5 crores. And when Chennai Super Kings suspension was taken off, MS Dhoni continued to be the captain of the team for a price of 15 crores, making him the 3rd most expensive players of IPL. After Suresh Raina, MS Dhoni has proved to be a top scorer for the team, and with an average of 42 runs, he has managed to earn a total of 4,534 runs. On number 2, we have Pat Cummins, who is an Australian fast bowler, and for IPL 2020, he was sold to the Kolkata Knight Riders team for a price of 15 crores 50 lakhs. He is one of the top bowlers in the world, and that is the reason he has received the highest bid, making him the 2nd most expensive player of IPL 2020. In 2014 IPL auction, KKR bid a price of ₹1 crores to make him the part of their team, where he played only for 2 years. In 2017, he was sold off to Delhi Daredevils team for a price of 4 crores 50 lakhs. The next year, he was sold off to Mumbai Indians, where he did not play a single match. Finally, in IPL 2020, Kolkata Knight Riders got Pat Cummins in the team by making the highest bid. Let's see if he's able to do well for his fans. With that, we have reached the top spot for the most expensive player of IPL 2020, and that is none other than Virat Kohli, one of the top batsmen in the world, and even in terms of IPL salary, he is at the top spot with a price of 17 crores. Although the team has not won any IPL title, but because of Kohli, the team has a very huge fan following. Virat Kohli was taken into the team through a youth contract in 2008. However, his performances were not up to the mark for 2 continuous years. However, in 2010, he improved a lot and proved out to be the top third run scorer for his team. Even if Kohli did not perform well, but RCB was sure of his talent, and that's why they retained him in 2011 as well. And since then, he has improved a lot. In 2013, he was made the captain of the team, and that was a turning point in his career, not only in IPL but in international cricket as well. In IPL 2016, he managed to make a score of 973 runs, out of which 4 were centuries and 7 were half centuries. And that's why he was retained by the RCB team for a price of 17 crores, making him the top expensive player in the IPL history. So that was it for the top 10 most expensive IPL players of 2020. And don't forget to mention your favorite player in the comment box down below. And also hit that subscribe button for more such informational and entertaining videos. And I will see you in my next video.